Hello and thank you for watching today. In this next video I'd like to discuss the benefits of Smart Lipo laser skin tightening. So the people that would use the Smart Lipo laser for the skin tightening are those that are primarily concerned with the looseness of skin before liposuction. If you have looser skin before liposuction, it's likely that you're going to have looser skin after liposuction. It's just the nature of what we do. Now we will be removing volume and we do stimulate a healing response, so to some degree you will get some tightening of the skin, but the question is just how much, and it's not something that we can predict. Everybody's body has a different capacity for healing and skin tightening. So if you're concerned about the looseness of the skin before, the use of the laser, the Smart Lipo laser, is going to help you get the most skin tightening after liposuction. Now how this works is we pass this laser under the skin, and the heat from the laser causes a contraction. It also stimulates collagen growth for about 6 months after the procedure, and so the studies show that you'll continue to get increased growth of collagen for about 6 months after, which gives you continual thickening and tightening of the skin. Now the collagen is what is going to give your skin a thicker texture and a tighter feel, and give it the elasticity that you had when you were younger. As you age, the collagen continues to diminish with time. Now, the laser for the skin tightening, there are many benefits to this Smart Lipo laser. We discuss primarily the skin tightening benefits, but the heat source also offers a few other things that are worth mentioning, in that it coagulates blood vessels. What that means is it's during the liposuction procedure, it's possible that we break blood vessels and they would bleed. So the heat would coagulate these blood vessels, so make for less bleeding, less bruising, less swelling after the procedure. So it's believed that the use of the laser will help reduce the swelling, reduce the bruising, and make for a quicker recovery following liposuction. In addition to reducing bruising, the laser has been shown to help with cellulite. Now cellulite, as you may have heard from one of my previous videos, is an issue with connective tissue, and basically the tissue's pulling down further in one area than another. Now the laser can come through there and basically break those fibers and allow the skin to pop back up and be smooth again. So if one of your issues is the loose skin and the cellulite, then the laser is definitely warranted for your procedure. In addition to that, it's also been shown to, since we do tighten the skin, if you do have stretch marks, the laser will help to tighten the skin further and reduce the visibility of the stretch marks. Now, unfortunately, the laser is not going to make the stretch marks go away completely, but it will help to tighten the skin and reduce the visibility of those stretch marks. Another benefit that I would find with the laser, and something that's not discussed much, but I use it for breaking up tough tissue. And tough tissue you can get from previous liposuction. So if you've had liposuction in an area and you want treated it again, then the use of the laser can help break up that scar tissue to allow me to remove more fat and get you smoother, more even results. Another area that you'd be concerned about with tougher tissue would be the male chest. In the male chest, they tend to have this glandular tissue under the nipple that is very tough and rubbery in nature. So we can go in there with the laser and break that tissue up. It essentially perforates the tissue, causes holes, so then my blunt instruments can get through those holes and shred out more of that tissue and remove more of that glandular tissue and get you better results for that flatter chest that you guys are looking for. I will mention the laser that we use, the Smart Lipo MPX laser. It's a dual wavelength laser. The two different wavelengths are thought to affect the tissue differently for skin tightening as well as fat cell reduction. The lasers themselves will not only tighten the skin, but it also melts the fat and ruptures the cell wall to reduce the fat content in the area. If you have any further questions about Smart Lipo laser skin tightening, please give our office a call, 702-818-5476. Thank you very much.